Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we are opening the October ice cream beauty box. Excuse me, which I received on the 30th of October. And I don't understand it because it's a subscription box. I love the box, don't get me wrong. It's a subscription box. It's $35 a month, and you get makeup products. You get nice ones, full size. You always get a palette. But this is a Halloween palette that's in here that I can see. And I got it on October 30th. The money comes out the 1st. And I just don't understand why it doesn't ship until the 3rd or the last week of the month. So that's my only issue with it. Because then send the Halloween stuff in September so we can play with it all October, right? All right, so rant over. Anyway, here's the card. This is what she's looking like. I took all the peanuts out. It usually comes with packing peanuts, and they're totally biodegradable. You can flush them down the toilet. You can stick them in a glass of water, and they will literally turn into nothing. Anyway, so give me a second. I'm going to pause this. I have to grab my glasses. Okay, I'm back. So, let's see. I'm going to go down the line from the bottom up. So, let me see if I can find it. Give me 1 second. I am so sorry, guys. Okay. I don't know what that... It was right in front of me. Alright, so the first product is... Well, it says bonus product. It's $14. It's Crystal Infused Lip Gloss by Ather Beauty for $14. Add a little magic to your makeup ritual, infused with real crystals. This gloss brings a supernatural shine and positive energy, perfect for sealing your spell and your lipstick with good vibes. So there's that. It's sealed. I've never heard of this company before, have you guys? Oh, if you want to see how I got this look, Single Lady Saturday, yesterday's video, you can go check it out. Alright, so... Alright, so it's just a gloss. You can't see it. There it goes. Oh, it's shimmery. No smell. Nice. Okay, so there's that. So, Legally Hot, Plump, and Pout. That's what we're looking for. I would say it's this right here. Turn up the heat this Halloween. This fiery lip plumper tingles with a spicy sensation, giving your lips that irresistible, full moon worthy pout. The perfect finishing touch for any wickedly glam look. Heads up, this lip plumper is designed to tingle or lightly burn. That's how you know it's working. If it feels too strong, go ahead and stop use. So this is what that looks like. And that is $7. So there's that. The next thing is in this box right here. This is Space Highlighter by, oh, I don't know that name. ZC Cosmetics, and this retails for $35. Glow like a creature of the night, inspired by galaxies and moonlight. This highlighter delivers radiant cosmic shimmer that's simply out of this world. Your Halloween glow up just went interstellar. Can also be used as a blush. Would have been nice to get it before Halloween. But okay. This is what it looks like in that big giant box. It's cute. Alright, how does it open? Okay. So this is what she's looking like. It's soft. And that's what it looks like. It's pink for sure in some of the light. Alright, so there's that. And that, what I say that retails for? $35 for that. Okay. Now, Multi-Chrome Liquid Liner by Charmacy, $21. Dare to dazzle under the moonlight. This color-shifting liquid liner glides on smoothly, transforming from one bewitching hue to another with every flick of your eyes. Perfect for casting bold, otherworldly looks. If you could get it open. I'm all for, like, packaging that's secure. But when it gets to the point where you can't even grab it to open, I don't know. I'm just... Can you tell I'm agitated a little bit that this box came so late? Hold on, pause again. Okay, I'm back. That took a minute. Okay, so this is what she looks like. This is the Multi-Chrome Liquid Liner by Charmacy, $21. Dare to dazzle under the moonlight. This color shifting eyeliner, right? Liquid liner glides on smoothly. I'm going to try to make a thick line. Ooh, that's pretty. Now that is really pretty. That would go nice with this look that I have on. Alright, so that's there. And that retails for $21. Wow, look how pretty that is. Very pretty. Alright, so the next thing is a face mask by Mo Beauty. $6. Looks like this. Give your skin a spooky good treat. This hydrating mask revives tired skin after a long night of Halloween fun, leaving your complexion soft, refreshed, and ready for the next costume or candy binge. It's also got a fun design, making you look like you've got a full face of makeup. This retails for $6. It's by Mo Beauty. I've never heard of them before. And it has a bunny, so it's cruelty-free. This is Mo Mattifier Calendula Flower Skincare Mask, Oil Control, Anti-Acne. And it says, look, honey, if you need some balance in your life, try me. So that looks like that. I love face masks, so that's nice. Last but not least, Trick or Treat Palette by Beauty Moon Cosmetics. Look how cute. This would have been so cute to open before Halloween. But okay. Because I had other things filmed that go out. Like if this would have came earlier, I could have done it I don't know. I'm just going to get off of it. Alright, Trick or Treat Palette. It retails for $35. Each palette hides its own Halloween magic, one full of rich, moody shades for mysterious looks, and the other bursting with candy-inspired colors for sweet glam. No matter which one you get, it's a spellbinding palette made to enchant. We got the Trick. Oh, I get it. Trick or treat. We got Trick. Okay, cool. So, this beautiful palettes are designed by Doodles by the Bunny, an amazing artist who creates beautiful artwork for many brands. We also teamed up with Beauty Moon Cosmetics, an amazing brand in the UK. Very cute. Oh, comes with shade covers. Very nice. Plastic. I'm gonna... Oops. Let me get the shade covers off. One fell. Wow. Okay, this is really pretty. Look how beautiful. All right, so let's see what they're like. Let's go into Blood Velvet, the red one. Let's do the Wicked Grape, the purple. And let's do Slime Slushy, the shimmer. And Pumpkin Flame, the orange shimmer. Oh, these are very pretty. So there is the red one, which is Blood Velvet. Then Wicked Grape. Ooh. And then the Slime Slushy. Oh, that's pretty. And Pumpkin Flame. We'll put her up here. Ooh. Those are pretty. Let's do Enchanted Amethyst and Radioactive Sherbet. All right, this is the Enchanted Amethyst. Oh, that's pretty. And Radioactive Sherbet. Ooh, very nice. All right, I love that. So, this was my Eyescream Beauty box. It is a subscription service. Mine costs $35 a month. The money's taken out on the 1st. And you sometimes get your box that month. I've always, well, no, last month I didn't. You'll get your box sometime that month, and this is the kind of stuff you get in it. I think it's worth it, even though it's a little late in the month to be, getting an October box. But I'm cool with it. It says, the best things in life are sweet. Eyescream Beauty. Like I said, I love the box. I really do. Please don't take it the wrong way. It's just very disheartening. Boy, these are pretty. When you get it so late in the month. And then here it is, November. I got it on October 30th. Well, I already had all my stuff filmed and uploaded, and you know what I mean? So there's that. All right. Well, you guys have a blessed and magical day. And remember, don't let anyone tame your spirit. Bye.